Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a very fun video, I guess you could say. So I've been getting a lot of questions from my friends and family of like, how do you style your hair? Your hair looks awesome. I love the curl wave. I love it. So then I was like, you know what? Video idea, hello. So I figured I would share with you guys how I style my hair. I'll link everything down below in the description bar of where you can get all the products I use and etc. So yeah. If you want to see how I curl my hair or style it, then please keep on watching. The first thing that I use is this wand. It is from Nume. It is the 3-in-1. It has a little lock and unlock here. So you unlock it and this thing pulls out. So this is the middle one. It comes with 3, obviously. This is the small one. This is the medium one. And then this is the big one. So small is too small because I don't want them to be super curly, and then the big one is just too big. So the middle one is my favorite, obviously. So with that being said, it has like 2 little prongs in there. You match them up when you put them in the thing. You basically push it in and then you turn this to lock it. So, and you'll hear that click. I don't know if you heard that. There you go. So that's when you know it's in, it won't fall out, and it, you know, you don't want to deal with that. So that being said, you turn it on, you plug it in, and you turn it on. It comes with a glove, but we're not gonna be, it shouldn't be too bad. So I will do this without a glove, but I mean, it has a glove so you can use it. So anyways, so while that is heating up, the products that I use, it's not that crazy, it's not that serious. All you need is a hair tie, no joke, and all you need is this Aussie spray. This is a huge bottle. It is 568 milliliters of hairspray. I have not, okay, if you live in Canada, you know that we had a Target here a long time ago. I don't even know how many years it's been. We had a Target, this was on sale. I was like, oh my God, I think this was like $3 or like barely $4. I was like, oh my God. So I bought it. This has such a hold, and the smell itself is not that bad. I love the smell. I don't know, I'm all about smells if you don't know me by now. But anyways, it's kind of, it's probably like about there. Like it goes a long way. And this is the only hairspray I use to spray my hair because it holds, and I love that it molds to your hair. Like you can still play with your hair. It's not sticky. It's not hard and crunchy. Like it is bomb.com. So anyways, with that being said, we're going to wait till that heats up and I will show you what I'm doing. We're just going to section off our hair. We're going to do it in 3 sections. So I'll take my hair tie and I'll take from my ears, and I just kind of go halfway and I just take off that chunk. So I'm left with that. So it's kind of like half your hair, but sort of. And so I just put it in a crazy bun. It doesn't have to be pretty. It doesn't have to be pretty because we don't really care. So I have short pieces of hair, so let those kind of hang out. And then I just split it in half, and I have half. So I'm just gonna take off my earrings. Let's get serious. This is now hot and we are locked in so it won't fall out. So what I do is I don't take too many sections. I kind of just brush it with my hand. You can use a brush if you want, but I basically section it in half. So there's my half, and I go with the back end first. So I'll take the back end, I'll take it, take this hand, and I go behind and I literally just go like this and I hold it there. That's it. Just holding it there for a little bit. So I hold it there for a couple seconds and then I release it, and then see how it kind of like, oh, it's really hot. Kind of like got like wavy, so then I throw it to the back and then I go to the next section and I do the same thing. Go, and then I let it do that. So see, as you can kind of see, it kind of created a wave. So then I let it go. I just leave it there, and now I'll move on to the next side. Same thing. I will kind of brush it, and then I split it in half. So I'll just take the back end, I'll turn around so you guys can see that, and then I just kind of hold the end, if you guys can see. I just hold the end. See? Curled and then to the back. And then the last section, sorry, I try to grab all my hair. There we go. See, I do have short pieces, but that's postpartum. What do you want me to do? So I just do the same. This curl, like, no joke, lasts so long. I could have this curl for days. But anyway, so with that being said, now I'll take the back end. I'm probably gonna spray the flowers in the back, but so basically I just take it and I just spray. I'll kind of lift up a little bit just so I get every section. So as you can see, I'll turn around. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I don't touch it. Leave it alone. It's sprayed. We good. All right. So now we're gonna move on to the next section. We'll let them go. And then I'll just take from here, this hairline, and just take up in here. And that's pretty much all I take. So it's almost like a snooky poof. And then I'll just take my hair tie and take it up. Like I said, doesn't need to be fancy. So then I take the hair. Sorry, I just have a mirror here. So then I take the hair, obviously the curls, we keep those back there. Just take this to the front, we split it, and then we take those other pieces. You can tell exactly where they are because they're not touched with product. Basically repeat and do the same thing, split it in half. That's all I do. Take the curler. Let it go, and then repeat. Now that we're done that, I do the exact same thing. I just start spraying. That's all I do, and you leave it alone. Now we move on to the top. So I grabbed a brush. So basically I'm just gonna do a part down the middle really lightly. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're gonna put all the hair, it's not curled, to the front. These pieces are straight and they're not curled. And then the rest will come on this side. So yeah, like I said, you can brush it out and bring it forward. And then same thing. You always want to go away from like backwards out, if that makes sense. So just make sure that your hair, I don't know, it just works for me where my hair is freshly washed. It just styles so much better. You can have dirtier hair, I guess you could say, like if the night before, that works for you. It just for me, I know if I want a great curl, I have to shower. So as you can see, I'm pushing the hair away. So it's like that. So you're pushing it away, not inward. You'll see how I take it from here. I'm not taking it this way. I'm taking it this way and I'm pushing it back. And so that's pretty much all I do. And then I'll spray. Spray all over, and then now you can touch your hair. So I like to take with my hands, no brush, and then I just like to put, just kind of like truss it, kind of like that. I don't like the part like that. So basically I will take just very lightly, I'll just kind of take it up and then I will split it off and then there'll be a new part. I like my hair to go this way, so that's when I start kind of texturizing it, making it move, and I'll style it to the way I want. And then I'll add more hairspray just so that it stays. I have like such baby hairs that I have to like do that. So yeah, that's pretty much my hair. So as you can see, like I love the way that it curls. I love the way that it styles. It's one of my favorites. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Like I swear to you, and I will go all day like this. I love the way that it just volumizes, and like I said, it just, you're able to texturize like It's a flexible hold is what it is. That is the end of this video. That was relatively really easy. So that's basically how I curl my hair. I hope you got some tips and tricks. That's pretty much all I do. Like I know you guys probably like, oh, that was really fast, but that's literally all I do. That's how I curl my hair. If you realize like, oh, Leslie curled her hair today, that's all I did. That is the end of this video. Please like this video if you liked it. Comment below on what you want to see in the next video. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you are notified on when I upload my videos, which will be every week. So yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to my blog. I do blogs as well. I am currently incorporating YouTube onto my blog, so whenever I upload a YouTube video, I will let people on my blog that are subscribed, let them know. But yeah, with that being said, that's the end of this video. Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.